Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, it's shopping time with Miss Yo-Yo. We're going to Hobby Lobby. No credit cards needed here. Please check your purse in at the door. Let's get going. Now, it's been a minute since I've been to Hobby Lobby, so I decided to tip on over to Hobby Lobby, see what they had going on. Walked up in here, they're having a reduced sale on selected Happy planners and accessories and Agenda 52, aka Paper Studio, on reduced price. Now, selected items. Plus, I'm going to show you some items that are not on sale, but they're on sale. I'll tell you in a minute. Now, the reduced price items, the Happy Planner and the Agenda 52 item, especially the Happy Planner, these skinny classics they had on reduced price were just started in July. They're already marked down. You can get them at a bargain. You might want to use them for memory keeping. That's an idea. If you just want to hold on to the accessory packs, which are undated, this is a steal at these prices. $2.74 for an accessory pack that's like $11 or $12. Girl, get that. Now, this is what I call the clearance season. Now, we're almost to the end of the year. New planners are coming out, new accessories. So that means they're going to start having clearance sale, reduced prices on all of these existing items. So keep your eye out. If there's anything you're looking for, let a girl know. Leave a comment. Now, one of the things that me and my sister always look for, and I did not see them today, we normally look for either the notes, the classic size notes, or the skinny classic notes to be on sale, because those we like to get the covers if we, really like them. So that is something we always look for, because they're usually like $2.74, $1.99. So just a heads up on that. If you go to your Hobby Lobby, you might want to check that out if that's something you're looking for. Now, this gold sticker book, I have this book. Love it. Love it. That right there on sale, $4.99, child. Now, this sale, it includes Happy Planner and Agenda 52, aka Paper Studio. I am going to show you some items that are not on sale. Now, here's the deal. These are selected items. Remember that, okay? Selected items. Now, this Happy Planner Disney sticker book, now this was the only one I saw on reduced price. So I don't know if there was other ones and they sold out. But you check your Hobby Lobby and see what they got. I'm going to also let you see the sticker books that Hobby Lobby is carrying in case you're looking for something that's not at Michael's, not at Joann's. You might see it here amongst these sticker books and say, oh, let me go check out Hobby Lobby. I saw that in Miss Yo-Yo's video. So here's just a lay of the land, a little sticker pads. These are my favorite right here, the sticker pads. But I want you to see what they got. Now, Paper Studio, whew, child, this is a sale. Agenda 52 6-ring binder, $6.24. Yes, I said it, at Hobby Lobby. You are a girl looking for an alternate cover? They got you. They got you, and Miss Yo-Yo got you right here. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that thumbs up and please share me with any of your planner friends, okay? Now, this sticker book was a beauty. It was not on reduced sale, but it is a planner, and they're having a 40% sale this week, so I would assume that that means that this was 40% off. Now, they do have these other 6-ring binders that are on reduced price. So you've got to check Hobby Lobby when they're having their sale is on and when the sale is off. These right here were on reduced price with the red sticker. It's the red sticker sale, as I like to call it. Now, these Agenda 52 planners, these planner covers were not on, well, they were on sale because they're part of the 40% off the planner and the planner accessory. So they were $25, they would be $15. Then we come on down here to the inserts. Now, these are $21, $22. They'd be like $13. So as part of the 40% sale, you're covered, okay? I got you covered. A day and a day in the life of Miss Yo-Yo unless something interesting doesn't happen. I'm coming across the Courtney Campbell Causeway, coming to Clearwater to go to Hobby Lobby, and some fool, and I mean fool, decided he wants to outrun the the police on the Courtney Campbell Causeway. Really? Really do? All up the shoulder next to me. All in the dirt, the grass, everything. Now, I picked out a few selected Paper Studio sticker books. These right here, these are beauties. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. And also, don't forget, hit that thumbs up if you're enjoying Miss Yo-Yo's little, shopping excursion that she taking you on, okay? Now, after you watch this video, if you want to continue to shop with Miss Yo-Yo, feel free to check out the playlist because I have other videos from Michael's, Joann, other Hobby Lobbies, Target, and you can have yourself a whole little shopping excursion with Miss Yo-Yo for free. Hey, I just wanted to pop back in and say thank you to all my new subscribers and all my returning viewers. Because this past week, child, y'all just came to the table for Miss Yo-Yo. Y'all showed up and showed out. And I appreciate it. Keep watching. There's more to come. Now, I'm keeping my eye out on Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and Michael's. Because the closer we get to that new release from Happy Planner, I expect we're going to see some more sales. Now, this is a side hustle sticker book. I remember Recollection at Michael's, they have a side hustle planner. Maybe you got the planner, you look for stickers. Maybe you got the stickers, you look for a planner. Maybe you can marry the two together. Michael's and Hobby Lobby, Agenda 52 and Recollection. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome. Now, give you a heads up on this. Paper Studio Agenda 52 sticker books, regular price $17.99. Let's just say $18. Give them that penny, okay? So, keep in mind, 40% off. You can get this bad boy for like $11. I always only buy I only buy most sticker books, okay, at a sale price coupon or something. But let me just tell you, if you're looking at these and you like them, make sure you check and see when they're having their sales so you can get it at that reduced price also. Now, here's another sweet little find. Agenda 52 notebooks, 3 in a pack, $2.75. Sweet price, right? Then, Miss Yo-Yo, she said, that's fine. Get the video for my girls. I'm getting ready to leave. Then I look over there. Oh, there's a list book. So let me just check this list book out. Oh, they got some journals. Okay, fine. Okay, then I see there's a planner. You're almost out the door. And they get you. They grab your backhand. You know what I mean. I'm going to bust on myself and just tell you, if something says planner on it, Miss Yo-Yo will stop to look at it, okay? So that I'm just going to tell you right now. And I saw this planner, and of course I had to stop. I had to open it up. I had to see what the layout was. So this is an undated planner. It was by the register. I'm quite sure if it said planner, it probably was on sale. But I did not buy it, okay? I just wanted you to see it. Hey, everybody. Well, thank you so much for checking out the video. I so greatly appreciate it. Thank you to all my new viewers. Thank you to my returning viewers coming week after week. Hey, and if you like this video, make sure you please hit that thumbs up. Tell your friends about me. If you haven't subscribed, and I don't know why you haven't, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the all notification. And I must tell you, when exiting the video, what am I going to tell you? Please be careful. Check for all your personal belongings. And a girl will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.